Bursky Locksmith Company. Bursky Locksmith Company. As our name indicates, we offer our services to you 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, including public holidays and my birthday. No matter what time of day or night, we make it our professional guarantee to you that an insured, licensed professional locksmith from our staff can be where you need them to be, by your side, ready to help you and ensure the security of your home, office, or vehicle. So call Bursky Locksmith Company. Bursky Locksmith Company. Bursky Locksmith Company at 617-275-5434.